Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your DeepSeek application using your mobile device. To log into DeepSeek app, open up the DeepSeek application on your device, and once you do that, you will end up in the login screen. If you haven't logged in before, you will see options like sign up. If you already have an account, enter your email or your phone number at the top along with your password. Make sure to type down the information correct after typing down your credentials. Check this little circle at the bottom to confirm that you have read and agreed to the DeepSeek Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. Finally, click on Login in order to sign into your account. And that is how you can easily log into DeepSeek AI application. You'll be redirected to the main screen of DeepSeek where you can start using its features. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more DeepSeek AI contents. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.